Hey guys, Sushi Stew back on here. I'm going to show you another app by ware. This one is back with the smartphone as well, so we're going to be connected over Wi-Fi. So go to App World, you know how to get there. Download Jeeo Connector. Make sure you've already got Jeeo web portal on your phone. See, I've got already my account set up. Jeeo Connector. You'll add a new device, create a description name. As you can see with mine, I have BB Torch there. This is my name. I got Sushi Stew is my account name, and you want to select it, connect device. On your phone, you'll probably get a little message saying that Jeeo is attempting to connect, so make sure you hit OK. Punch in your password, your username, and log in. So there we are, logged in to Jeeo Connector. Then you can hit devices and go back if you want it. We're connected to my 9800 torch. You can see it's got lots of information, memory, GPS, lots of tabs over here. We're in the dashboard right now. File browser, contacts, calendar, email, memos, photos, apps, tools. Tools is one that I really enjoy. I have this set up on my wife's phone as well, on her BlackBerry, so I can use the locate phone, and she always misplaces her phone in the house. I got my phone here, so we'll hit locate phone and it'll make an alert, not an alert that you've heard before, so listen for it. And there you go. You misplaced your phone in the house, you got your playbook in hand, there you go, you can find it. You can also log in to Jeeo on the internet and do it from there, because it is a web portal. You can take a screenshot from this tool. Wonder if it will take one. There it is. Here's a screenshot of my application screen. So it's a really awesome tool. Definitely worth having. Download from App World today, guys. Have fun with it. Peace out and enjoy.